Yes, good morning, one and all. So today's class, we are going to cover structural chromosomal aberrations. So in this, see what the different chromosomal aberrations is there. Why we need to study all these chromosome aberrations. Okay. So how these chromosome aberrations get occurred in our nuclear genome? What is the significance if they are not corrected properly? So for that, first we need to understand what are the structural chromosomal aberrations. This structural chromosomal aberrations cause structural abnormality in the chromosome structures. They alter the sequence of kind of gene which is present in the chromosome. Change in the structure of chromosome that leads to change in the structure of the chromosome. Loss of addition of segment of chromosome, deletion deficiency, loss of segment of chromosome. Duplication means repetition of a segment of chromosome. That leads to repetition of a particular segment of a chromosome. Deletion means deficiency, loss of segment of a chromosome. So that is what we understand about this chromosomal aberration is that these are chromosomal aberrations are not so these are chromosomal aberration alteration in the chromosome structure. Chromosomal aberration means alteration in the chromosome structure. If sometime if there is a change in chromosome number also, that also leads to generate the chromosomal aberrations. Alteration in the structure of individual chromosomal aberrations may occur spontaneously or by the induction. Such changes may result in qualitative alteration of the gene, quantitative alteration in the gene, or rearrangement of genes. So the breakage and reunion theory of chromatid segments, which result in the number of abnormality in the chromosome structures. Thus, origin of structural changes is caused by the breaks in the chromosomes sometimes. If in case of chromosome, if any broken end may unite with any other broken ends, this is the potential which resulting in new linkage arrangement. They are dependent upon the number of the breaks and the location of the breaks. A pattern in which broken ends join together. A wide variety of structural changes are possible. The first cytological demonstrations of chromosome rearrangement occur in the plant by the Barbara McClintock when he discovered the transposons. So structural changes in chromosomes can be divided into two different categories. First is change involving a number of genes. Change which involve in the number of genes. Sorry, I am not. Yes. So these changes. We are discussing about the structural changes in the chromosome. So changes which involve the number of genes, changes which involve the arrangement of the genes. If we talk about changes involve the number of genes, they got the deficiency or duplications. If sometime changes in the number means some genes may get deleted from the genome, and some genes may get yes. So these genes may change in the either chromosomes or either it leads to change in the either chromosomes or either gene number or gene structural genes. So there is a different class of chromosomal aberrations. There are different class of chromosomal aberrations. So that we can understand by the deficiency. there is mainly four different class of structural changes of the chromosome have been demonstrated. First, deficiency. Deficiency means part of the chromosome get deleted or get lost. Part of chromosome get lost. Duplication means part of chromosome get added or duplicated. Part of chromosome get added or duplicated in that. Inversion. Inversion means section of the chromosome get detached and reunited in the reverse order. Translocation. Part of chromosome detached and joined to non-homologous chromosomes with non-homologous chromosome. There is a various chromosomal aberrations which inversion translocation only represent change in the position of chromosome segments of different size. Total chromosome mass which remaining unchanged, all segments are present in their original doses, which is distributed in the new way, qualitative alterations. In case of deletion or deficiency and duplications, quantitative alteration occur in chromosome complement. With certain chromosomes, they have been lost or they get doubled. Okay, that is the main logic behind the chromosomal structural changes. So there is a change in normal arrangement of the gene chromosome also. That is because of translocation and inversion. Translocation means exchange of segment between two non-homologous chromosomes, which resulting in a new chromosomes. Inversion means change in the linear order of the genes by rotation of a section of chromosome to 180 degree. Inversion means completely 180 degree change, completely 180 degree. The deletion of a genes. Gene of a chromosome are permanently lost as they become unattached to the centromere and are lost forever. Genes which is not attached to centromere become lost and lost forever. A new chromosome lacks certain genes which may prove fatal depending on how important these genes are. Duplication of the gene in mutations or mutant genes are displayed twice on the same chromosome due to duplication of these genes. This can prove to be an advantage in mutations as no genetic information is lost or altered to new genes are gained. The genes from homologous chromosomes are copied and inserted into the genetic sequences. Then a new chromosome possibility is there. The structural homozygotes. Sometimes structural homozygotes are those in which alteration such as translocation or duplication occur in both the homologous chromosomes. And such is termed as translocation homozygote or duplication homozygote. In case where only one chromosome of the pair is structurally get altered, the term is known as hybrid or heterozygote is used. In case of deficiency of chromosomal aberrations, the deficiency or deletion represent loss in the chromosomal material, which was the first chromosomal aberration which indicated by the genetic evidences. This evidence suggested by the bridge in 1971 in Drosophila melanogaster showed a deletion of X chromosome that include bar locus. Now, deficiency or deletion are two types. Terminal deletions means a single break near the end of chromosome would be expected to result in a terminal deficiency. A single break near the end of chromosome would be expected to result in a terminal deficiency. Intercalary deletions, if two breaks occur, a section may be deleted or intercalary deficiency is created. If we talk about the origin of this intercalary deficiency that is represented, more likely to occur in those which provide the presence. Now, what are the different effects of these chromosomal aberrations that occur in the chromosomes? Deficiency has an effect in inheritance, also in presence of deficiency, a recessive allele, which we have like a dominant allele. And this phenomena is known as pseudodominance. Pseudodominance means deficiency which have effect on inheritance pattern. The deficiency of chromosomal part of chromosomal get broken down. In presence of deficiency, a recessive allele which we have like a dominant allele. In deficiency, what happens? The recessive allele behave like a dominant allele, and this phenomenon is called as pseudodominance. The principle of pseudodominance exhibited by deficiency and heterozygotes, which have been utilized for the location of gene on a specific chromosome of the Drosophila. Specific chromosome of Drosophila. So later on, this chromosome deficiency has great facilitated the checking of the linkage map. A somatic cell that has lost a small chromosome segments may live, produce other cell zygotes like itself, each with deleted sections of the chromosome. A phenotypic effect sometimes indicate which cells or portion of the body have descended from the original deficient cell. If the deficient cell is gamete that is subsequently fertilized by the gamete carrying non-deficient chromosomes, all cells of resulting organism will carry out the deficiency in the heterozygous conditions. A recessive gene on the non-deficient chromosome in region deficiency may express themselves. Heterozygous deficiency thus usually decrease the general variability. But in case of duplication type of chromosomal aberrations, the chromosomal segment present in more than 2 copies. In case of duplication, the chromosomal segment present in more than 2 copies. So in case of meiosis, when duplication is present, only one of 2 homologous chromosomes at meiosis, which is a characteristic loop, is obtained at that time. What could be the effect of this duplication on chromosomal aberrations? So the duplication was critically examined in the bar B locus of X chromosome and Drosophila. Varied eye is a character which eye narrow compared to normal eyes. This phenotype character is due to duplication for a part of chromosome. The bar character is due to duplication in region of X chromosome. Barred eye individual give rise to ultra bar and normal Y type due to unequal crossing over. Word I have different phenotype in homozygous bar and heterozygous ultra bar, indicating the although in each cases. Number of 16 A segments remain the same. This was called positional effect. Now these duplication are of different type on basis of their position of duplication segment. Tandem duplications, displaced homobrachial duplications, displaced heterobrachial duplications. Tandem duplications are present as adjacent regions. They are present nearby locations. Displaced homobrachial at displaced position of the same arm. Displaced heterobrachial duplication is on the different arm of the same chromosome. Then transposed duplication on a different chromosome. Transposed duplication they get transferred from either one chromosome to another chromosome. So that could be presented different chromosome. Reverse tandem duplication. Reverse tandem duplication means a duplication segment found as reverse repeat at adjacent motif. Inversion of chromosomal aberrations represent reverse gene order in the chromosomes. So this inversion originates when part of chromosome become detached, turn into 180 degrees centigrade. Now there is change in the normal chromosome, normal arrangement of the gene in the chromosome because of inversion of the genes. So in this order, the genes are reversed as seen below. Normal chromosomes get unaltered, remain same. Then the connection between gene will break, and sequence of these genes are reversed. The new sequence may not be viable due to produce an organism, depending on which genes are reversed. Advantage is characteristic from this mutation also possible. If we talk about the translocation of the gene, this translocation of the gene is where the gene information from one of 2 homologous chromosomes get tracked and bind to other. Usually this sort of mutation is lethal. An unaltered pair of homologous chromosomes. Translocation of gene has resulted in some gene from one of chromosome attached to the opposing chromosome. So there are common different types of chromosomal aberrations. Here you can see deficiency. If it is a terminal deletion means there is a loss of segment of chromosome, and deficiency means loss of segment of a chromosome. Terminal deletion means deletion from the telomere end. Interstitial deletion means segment between telomere and centromere is lost. Segment between telomere and centromere is lost. Duplication. Duplication means a chromosomal segment which present in more than 2 copies in the same nucleus. Chromosome segment which present in more than 2 copies in the same nucleus. Tandem duplication means the additional chromosome segments which is located just after the normal segment. Additional chromosome segment which is located just after normal segment. Gene sequence being the same in case of tandem duplication. Reverse tandem duplication, same as above, but the gene sequence of additional segment is get inverted. Displaced duplication. The additional segment which is located in the same chromosome but away from the normal segment. And transposed duplication. The additional segment which is located in a non-homologous chromosome. The chromosome segment contains gene in a sequence in which reverse of the normal gene. The inversion of two types, paracentric or pericentric. In case of paracentric inversion, the inverted segment does not contain centromere. In case of pericentric, the inverted segment does not contain centromere. Does not contain centromere. Then pericentric inversion. Pericentric inversion, the inverted repeats contain the centromere. Translocation, simple translocation, reciprocal translocation, and in case of pericentric inversion, the inverted segment contains centromere. Inverted segment contains the centromeres. Translocation means chromosome segments, the chromosome segment which is integrated into non-homologous chromosome. Reciprocal translocation means a segment of chromosome which is integrated into the non-homologous chromosomes, which is a segment of integrated into the first one. Then gene mutation or point mutation. Gene mutation represents the alteration of the DNA sequences. The sequence of nucleotide on a DNA sequence also susceptible to the mutations. Substitution is a mutation that exchange one base for another. Substitution is a mutation that exchange one base for another. Change in a single chemical letter, such as switching to A to G, such as substitution. Change a codon to one that encode a different amino acid and cause a small changes in the protein produced. For example, sickle cell anemia is caused by a substitution in beta hemoglobin gene, which alter a single amino acid in the protein produced. Change a codon to one that encode a different amino acid and cause a small changes in the protein produced. For example, sickle cell anemia that is caused by substitution in the beta hemoglobin genes, which altered a single amino acid in a protein produced. Change a codon to one that encode same amino acid cause no change in protein produced. These are called as silent mutations. Change an amino acid codon to single stop codon cause an incomplete protein. Insertion. Insertion are the mutation in which extra base pair are inserted into a new place. Deletion are the mutation in which section of DNA get lost or get deleted. Inversion, again we already been discussed that invert sequence has been the sequence of DNA is present reverse order as the normal. Frame shift mutation. Since the protein coding genes is divided into the codon. As insertion and deletion is taking place, can alter a gene expression. No longer correlates. These changes are called as frame shift. These changes are called as frame shift mutations. For example, consider the sentence, a fact cat sat. Each word represents a codon. If we delete the first letter and parse the sentence in the same way, it does not make sense. Frame shift, a similar error occurs at DNA level, which causing the codon to be parsed incorrectly. This usually generates truncated protein that are as useless as have etc. uniform. Genetic mutations which increase diversity therefore have important part to play. They are also region many diseases. So now we will discuss about the mutations. What is the mutations? Type of the mutations. So as you know, mutations are sudden and inevitable. Mutation is the process that produces a gene or chromosome that differ from the wild type. Differ from the wild type. So mutation is a change in the DNA sequence of the nucleotide. Change the sequence of nucleotide. Basically, if we talk about this mutation is nothing but it's a change in the DNA sequence, nucleotide of DNA sequences. Change in sequence of nucleotides bring the sudden heritable changes in the morphological character also. If such changes are heritable, then it is called as mutation. So mutation is defined as any heritable changes in the sequence of nucleotide of DNA. Organism with mutation is called as mutant, while the organism without mutation is wild type. So now what are the different type of mutations? Mutation are first discovered by the scientist that is Hugo de Vries, the term given by Hugo de Vries. Mutation may be intrageneric, intergeneric. The intragenic mutations or point mutation due to alteration in the structure of DNA molecules within a gene. In a point mutations, there is a change in the normal base sequence of DNA. This change results in the modification of structural characteristic or enzymatic capacity of individual. The unit of gene mutation is muton. This may consist of one or many nucleotide pair. Intergenic mutations of which chromosomal change in structure are example, which involve long region of the DNA. It means genes that include deletion or addition of segment of chromosome, resulting in deficiency and duplications respectively. In large deletions or base sequence corresponding to an entire polypeptide chain is sometimes lost. Some mutations are very useful in case of genetic mapping. Then germinal and somatic mutations. In case of eukaryotic cells, eukaryotic organisms, they have two primarily cell types, genetic cell, somatic cells. Mutation can occur either in cell type. If a gene is get altered in a germ cell, then mutation is termed as germinal mutations. And these germinal mutations are heritable. Because germ cell give rise to a gamete, some gamete will carry the mutation and they will be passed on to next generations. When the individual successful mates, typically germinal mutations are not expressed individual level, individual containing the mutations. Somatic cells give rise to all non-germline tissues. Mutation in somatic cells are called as somatic mutations. Because they do not occur in cell that give rise to gametes. The mutation is not passed along the next generation by sexual means. To maintain this mutation, the individual containing the mutations must be cloned. The two examples of somatic clones are novel orange or red helices. Spontaneous and induced mutations. Spontaneous mutations, which were originally studied spontaneously. This class of mutation is termed as spontaneous mutation, but these mutations clearly represent only a small number of possible mutations. The spontaneous mutation rate varies. Large genes provide large target and tends to mutation more frequently. In general, the spontaneous mutation rate is 2 to 12 into 10 to the power 6 minus 6 mutations per gamete per gene. So mutation rate is somewhat high. Induced mutations. The genetic dissections in the biological systems clearly indicate new mutations are created by the scientists by treating an organism with a different mutagenic agents, and these mutations are called as induced mutations. Data from several studies on eukaryotic organisms show that mutations can be induced by the several methods. These three are several studies on eukaryotic organisms show mutations can be induced by several methods. Three general approaches used to generate mutations are radiations, chemical or transposons, insertion. The first induced mutations were created by treating Drosophila with X-ray. In addition to X-ray, other type of radiations treatment that have useful into gamma rays, fast nutrient bombardment. These nutrients can be induced by point mutations or deletions. Now we'll talk about the different type of mutations. So these are the mutation. If we talk about the different class of mutations, so mutations could be based on the genotype and phenotype. Mutation are two types: point mutations and frame shift mutations. Okay. So if we talk about mutations, gene mutations, which where the allele of a gene gets changed. Gene mutation means allele of a gene gets changed. Chromosomal mutations where the segment of chromosome, a whole chromosome, or entire set of chromosome will get changes. Okay. So as we are discussing about the direction of the, there is a direction of the mutation. Direction means according to the mode of directions. There are two types of mutation: forward mutation and reverse or back mutations. In case of forward mutation in an organism where mutations create a change from wild type to abnormal phenotype, then that of mutations are known as forward mutations. From wild type abnormal, that is forward mutations. Reverse means forward mutations are often corrected by error correcting mechanism so that an abnormal phenotype change into wild type phenotype. If we talk about the sizes of the mutations, where the heritable alteration occur in a very small segment of the DNA, that is more point mutations. It means single nucleotide or nucleotide pair. Then this type of mutation is called as point mutations. Point mutation may occur due to one of the region, either deletion of the mutations, point mutation which is caused due to loss or deletion of some portion of single nucleotide pair in a triplet codon or cistron of genes called as deletion mutation. Then insertion or addition mutations. A point mutation which occur due to addition of one or more extra copies nucleotide of genes cistron are called as insertional mutations. Rest of the message downstream of mutations to be read out or phased out are called frame shift mutations because these insertion or deletion are responsible for the frame shift mutations. Then substitution mutations, mutations in which nucleotide of triplet is replaced by another nucleotide called substitution mutation. So the rearrangement of the gene may occur within a gene. Two mutations within the same functions. Gene can produce different phenotypic effect. The rearrangement of genes may occur in many number of genes per chromosome. If the number of genes replicates are non-equivalent on homologous chromosome, they may cause different type of phenotypic effect over the organism. Due to movement of the gene locus, new type of phenotype may be created, especially when the gene is relocated near heterochromatin. The movement of gene loci may be due to following methods: translocation, inversion. Now we will talk about the different type of, that was the gene mutations. Now we will talk about the chromosomal mutations. That is mutations according to the chromosomes may be of following two kinds: autosomal mutation, sex chromosome mutation. Autosomal mutation, this type of mutation occur in autosomal chromosomes. Sex chromosome mutation means this type of mutation occur in the sex chromosomes. Now, chromosome mutations, there is a gross change in the chromosome, a change in the number of chromosomes. When we talk about the change in number of chromosomes, so for that we will discuss later. But before that, we will see the chromosomal mutations and type of mutations. So the change in the genome involving chromosome part, the whole chromosome and whole chromosome sets are called as chromosomal aberrations, chromosomal mutations. Chromosomal mutations are proved to be one of the great significant in applied biology, agriculture. In case of chromosomal mutations, there is two type of mutations. Mutations which change the structure of the chromosome or number of the chromosome. Those with changing the structure of chromosomes are changing number of the genes, like through the loss or deletion. Deletion which involve loss of broken part of the chromosome. Addition means duplication which involve addition of part of chromosome. A change in gene arrangement. Rotation of a group of genes 180 degrees centigrade within one chromosome. Inversion in which broken segments reattach to original chromosome is reversible. Exchange of parts between chromosome in different pairs. Translocation in which broken segments become attached to non-homologous chromosome, resulting in a new linkage relation. Now change in number of chromosomes. Now we will discuss about the change in number of chromosomes. First is euploidy. Euploidy refers to the loss and gain of whole chromosome set. Euploidy means loss or gain of whole chromosome set. Term U means even or true. Ploidy means unit, which designate the genome which contain a chromosome that are multiple of the some basic chromosome number. These are the multiple of some basic chromosome. Euploidy are those organisms which contain balanced sets of chromosome in any number. Then the number of chromosome in a basic set is called as monoploid number. Number of chromosome in a basic set known as monoploid. Those euploid type whose number of sets greater than 2 called as polyploid. Thus 1x is monoploid, 2x is diploid, polyploid 3x, triploid, tetraploid, pentaploid, hexaploid, and so on. So mutation due to euploidy refers to the stage of having a chromosome number that is exact multiple of basic chromosome number. This means the number of chromosome set is increase in the euploidy. Increase in the euploidy. Haploidy, monoploid, one set of chromosome. Polyploid, more than two sets of chromosomes. Triploidy, three sets of chromosomes. Tetraploid, penta, hexa, hepta, septa, octa. This is the euploidy. Aneuploidy. Now, aneuploidy means it involves the loss or gain part of the chromosome. It involves loss or gain of the part of the chromosome. It refers to the condition in which one or few chromosomes are added or deleted from the normal chromosome. Hence, the number of chromosomes in aneuploidy can be greater or smaller than the number of chromosomes in wild type. It is the aneuploidy. So this aneuploidy is could be of different types like nullisomy, monosomy, trisomy. Nullisomy refers to 2 and minus 2 condition. Is loss of the both chromosome of homologous pair. When both chromosome homologous pair get lost, this is known as nullisomy. This condition may be lethal in most organisms. While monosomy refers to loss of a single set of single chromosome of homologous pair, 2n minus 1. Trisomy is the gain of extra chromosome, 2n plus 1. Example, Klinefelter syndrome. And Down syndrome are example of trisomy. So in case of polyploidy again, जब बना more set of chromosomes, then autopolyploid, allopolyploid. In case of autopolyploid, the autopolyploid involve polyploidy in which the same basic set of chromosomes are multiplied. Allopolyploidy means polyploid result due to doubling of chromosome number in a F1 hybrid, which is derived from the two distinctly different species. The resultant species is called as alloploidy. Now there are another some term is there, that is monosomy. Loss of one chromosome. Double monosomy is loss of two different chromosomes, 2n minus 1 minus 1. Loss of a pair of homologous chromosome is represent 2n minus 1, that is nullisomy. Increase in the number of chromosomes, that is polysomy. Trisomic presence of one extra chromosome, 2n plus 1. Double trisomy means two different extra chromosomes, 2n plus 1 plus 1. Tetrasomic means extra pair of homologous chromosomes, 2n plus 2. Pentasomic, 2n plus 3. Hexa, 2n plus 4. Septa, 2n plus 5. Now the change in the structure of chromosome. We talk about the change in number of chromosomes. Loss of addition of segments of chromosomes. Segment means change in the structure of the chromosome. Deletion means deficiency or loss of a segment of a chromosome. Duplication means repetition of a segment of chromosome. Change in normal arrangement of gene in the chromosome. Translocations, exchange of segments between two non-homologous chromosomes, resulting in new chromosomes. Inversion means change in linear order of the gene by rotation of segments of chromosomes, 180 degrees. Gene mutation or point mutations, change in the nucleotide sequence of a gene, deletion, insertion, substitutions, inversion. Tautomerism, ability of molecules to exist in more than one chemical form is called as tautomerism. All the four common bases of DNA like adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine have unusual tautomeric form which are however rare than normal bases of DNA which are usually present in keto form. As a result of tautomeric rearrangement, they can momentarily transform into the rare enolic forms. So now we will discuss about the central dogma of protein synthesis. So most of the enzymes which are present in a living cell system is protein. Proteins are built up from 20 amino acids which constitute the basic building block. In the protein, amino acids are linked up by the peptide bond to form a long chain called polypeptide. The sequence of amino acid has a bearing on the property of proteins. And a characteristic of a particular protein, the basic mechanism of protein synthesis is DNA make RNA which turns make proteins. You can see here central dogma of protein synthesis expressed as DNA to DNA through replication. And DNA will produce the copies through the replication. Then DNA to RNA transcription, DNA to RNA transcription, RNA to protein for translation. Protein synthesis. Since the beginning of the evolution, cells have developed the ability to synthesize the protein. They can produce new proteins either of reproduction or simply replace a degraded one. To manufacture the protein, cells follow a very systematic protocols that first transcribe DNA into mRNA and then translated the mRNA into chain of amino acids. The amino acid chains then fold into specific proteins. Protein synthesis requires two steps: transcription and translation. DNA will, if DNA is making copy itself, then it is known as replication. If the DNA is transcribing into RNA, that is known as mRNA. If mRNA is getting synthesized into the protein, that is known as translation. Crick, central dogma. Propose the central dogma theory, which showing the genetic information flow, accession of reverse transcription is from DNA to RNA by the process of transcription. There is to protein by translation. Transcription is the making of RNA molecules from the DNA template. And translation is the construction of amino acid sequence from RNA sequences. So if we talk about the protein synthesis in case of eukaryote and prokaryote is a complex process. It's a complex process where the protein is getting synthesized from mRNA into the synthesized from mRNA to the protein. This is known as translation mechanism. This is known as translation mechanism. So protein synthesis is the process which creating molecules through. In case of amino acids, there is a set of biochemical processes that produce the amino acid from carbon sources like glucose. So protein synthesis, creation of the protein in a biological system is carried out inside the cell. In case of prokaryote, this occur in the cytoplasm, while in case of eukaryote, it initially occur in the nucleus to create a transcript of the coding region of the DNA template. Then the transcript leave the nucleus, and and which is to the side ribosome of translation, where the translation takes place. So this, if we talk about the protein synthesis step, transcription, first transcription has to be carried out. So the transcription process by which mRNA template encoding the sequence of protein into form of trinucleotide. Transcribed from DNA to a translation. So translation is the process in which amino acids are linked together. Various amino acids are linked together a specific order according to the rules specified by the genetic code. So it occurs in the cytoplasm where the ribosome are located. It constitutes of four different phases. First, activation of tRNA, where amino acyl tRNA is covalently bound to the tRNA. Okay. First step is activation of tRNA. First step activation of tRNA. Case of second stage, initiation. Initiation where the small subunit of ribosome is bind to 5' end of mRNA with the help of initiation factors. Then elongation. Next amino acyl tRNA will bind to the ribosome along with the GTP and elongation factors. Third is termination. A site of codon is terminated. Terminated. So in case of DNA transcriptions, protein synthesis begin in the cell nucleus when gene coding protein is copied into the RNA. In form of DNA as embedded in cells chromosome, the process of transferring the genes DNA into the RNA is called as transcription. Transcription helps to magnify the amount of DNA by creating many copies of the RNA that act as template for the protein synthesis. RNA copy of gene is called as mRNA. DNA and RNA are both constructed by a chain of nucleotide. However, RNA differ from DNA by substitution of a uracil or thymine. Also because only one strand of mRNA is needed when they are synthesizing protein. mRNA naturally exists in standard form. After transcription, the mRNA is transported out of the cell nucleus to nuclear port to go to inside the cell translation to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And transcription is the process of making RNA strand from DNA template. The RNA molecule that is made is called as transcript. In the cell of protein, there are actually three different type of transcript. RNA transcript are present: mRNA, rRNA, tRNA. mRNA are synthesized, which carry the genetic information from DNA, used to template for the protein synthesis. Actually, this is synthesized by RNA polymerase 2. Okay, there are three different type of RNA polymerase which synthesize the RNA from the DNA template. RNA polymerase 1, 2, 3. So RNA polymerase 1 involves synthesis of ribosomal RNA. While 2 mRNA and third one is tRNA. So M is messenger RNA, means directly during the transcription, the genetic information which is present in the DNA gets encoded into the mRNA through the process of transcription. Okay. Now this mRNA act as a template for the protein synthesis. Next, ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA is the RNA which is synthesized by the RNA polymerase 1 into the nucleus, which is a major constituent part of the cellular particles cell called ribosome, on which protein synthesis actually takes place. This ribosomal RNA are the structural part of RNA is the structural part of the ribosomes involved in the protein synthesis, or also known as protein machinery, the cells. Now, a set of transfer RNA or tRNA molecule, each of which incorporate the particular amino acid subunit into growing protein, where it recognizes a specific group of three adjacent bases in the mRNA. So these tRNA, again transferred RNA, we are calling them as transfer RNA because they are involved during the protein synthesis. They are transferring the charged amino acids, taking charged amino acids, and they are taking them and carry them to mRNA near the ribosomes. So that is all about the central dogma molecular mechanism of the in case of plant genetics. So in this class, we have discussed about the chromosomal aberration, structural numerical aberrations, mutations, type of mutations, and different central dogma. Central dogma that is that explain the flow of genetic information, from DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. Okay. So that is the ultimate of these chapters. Thank you. Thank you.